Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Netflix application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now you can either use your web browser and then search for Netflix app in order to download the application by clicking on Install on Windows from the search results within any browser. You can also use the Windows Store by clicking on Microsoft Store application from your home page within the taskbar, which will open up the Microsoft Store. Now you might be asked to log into your Microsoft account if you haven't done so already. So log into your account and you will be taken into the Microsoft Store homepage. Now click on the search box and then type in Netflix and start your search. Once you find the Netflix application, just tap on it and you will be taken into the Netflix application page. Click on the install button within this page and this will begin the download and installation of the Netflix application on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the Netflix application and start using it by logging into your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Netflix application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.